Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. The problem with low-fat diets. They are not as popular as they used to be because we now know more about eating good fat. But there are still some diet gurus out there pushing low-fat and even no-fat diets. The problem with this approach to weight loss is that our bodies do absolutely need fats of all kinds to survive. Low-fat diets have been promoted in the past, by Weight Watchers, the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association and Dean Ornish's program. The problem is that these low-fat diets simply don't work in the long term. They only work for as long as you are on them, and then you gain all of the weight that you have lost back. The bottom line is that you need some fats in your diet, especially the healthy fats. Even if you are on a completely vegetarian diet, you still need these fats as eating too many carbohydrates will make your body acidic. Without the right types of fats, you can have bacteria, yeasts and molds multiplying in your body. Your body tissues become dry. Blood will not move through your veins and cholesterol and arterial plaque are more likely to stick to your artery walls. Yet another consequence of not eating enough fat is constipation. You simply will not eliminate as easily. Even your lung capacity can be compromised because your body needs some fat to create mucus. Without the right amounts of fats and oils, your brain does not function as well either. You simply do not think straight. Your brain cannot be dehydrated or deprived of fats, or you could start thinking and behaving in neurotic or psychotic ways. In essence, vegetarian diets contain many acidic carbs, which ferment and lead to sugar intolerance, pre-diabetes and eventually diabetes. Eating too much acidic food can also stress your adrenal glands and make you feel tired. This is why if you are going to go for an all-natural vegetarian diet, you need to make sure it contains some healthy fats and oils as well. Olive oil and avocados are examples of healthy oils that can help optimize your overall health. Diets without fats are also very hard to stick to as a full-time eating program. This is because food without any oil or butter simply tastes very bland. Cakes and sweets made without any kind of fat are also not very tasty. The good taste created by fats is called mouthfeel and is simply more satisfying to the human palate. The reason that people can't stick to those fat-free diets in the first place is because food that is fat-free simply does not taste that great. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net